Yes, a friend Ato Forson. In himself, on the position in government, a minister of finance. Papa way over the last 1 year and 2 months. Waji din Ghana my mopa. A man for a pa, especially at the circle of the NDC. Yes, $1 boaba form, inflation at tiaba form, or my patro book form, but yen the patro no aginsem. Papa, we are born in Dinso, the best economist and the best finance minister Ghana for you. This is what the NDC are saying. But the concerned Ghanaian citizens in them say, Akwawe, or your moko, or your moko, or your moka, where or your pentimamento, or your Yanto as you inquire, ene or Susania or Hesika, Ghana Sika foot or so. Finance Minister Fan Ato Forson. Ambulance crom for about one time I can't Ghana for say 2025 government of Ghana had to borrow money. Ghana buying a bobusia editia a Jumaya Foka e Ghana buying. What a shit. Temi yepa. Economy na yesi aye ye no. Economy na say the best. And Crofona also the best managers of the economy. No, they are here today telling us say common salary to the workers of government. No, buying no institutions are who no intimate generate enough income. So maybe to your mojuma foka. I just say a kobobusin free abontene na they are support one. Listen to me very carefully. And Crofona almost the good managers of the economy. And Crofona almost more boy Juma. And I'm almost so and I'm massive bio and Ghana mine yadana America, yadana Dubai. Or more Juma mu yeso and no. Yan kwatia. Yes, Akwa we see or no why then. A kobobo sena debetia Ghana a Juma Foka. Now I want you to listen to the video and then we go on. Listen to the video.
The reason why there's the need to take a closer look at Ghana's compensation are that the 2025 non-oil tax revenue of 183 billion Ghana cedis was only enough to pay for statutory transfers and debt service. After paying statutory funds such as District Assembly Common Fund, Get Fund, National Health Insurance, and debt service, what was left was not enough to settle Ghana's compensation bill. In fact, government of Ghana had to borrow 17 billion Ghana cedis to augment the compensation bill. Your Excellency, I thank you.
But we only post evidence, a video evidence. Your best finance minister, Ato Forson, said, "Men can't say Ghana buying proportion last year 77 billion Ghana cedis." Edit page my forecast. Enti aban papa na awaba no. Aban papa na yesi waba no. Oba wo hwefa. Ehe e na okoe. Ehe e na okopie ye. Adwuma ben na sa aban ne ya na manu sunti ato ne aban papa. Aban ya obobo se de tua adwuma ye foka. Aban a ni agencies ye hye na se. Omuntumi nya adwuma. Ema omunye self-sufficient. Apanya onim how to cover leakages in a government transactions. Nena menusunti ema amanfo bokro no wo system num. Sa ban na mo friend aban papa. Apanya so betue na adwuma ye fo ka age se obobosia. Sa ban na friend aban papa. Apanya otimi hwe wanim Ekobobo 77 billion Ghana cedis for payment of salaries. Na onyi nkrofo na di so omunye enough. Omunye the capacity to lead these agencies, because agency biano so tima, you have to generate income, internal revenue. Agency organ Bia must to be self-sufficient to pay his or its workers. But John Daraga now buying kwa John Mahama buying. And I'm chrono near dream any woody and tino. I was say a man for Ghana for young quadri bossian to ye money and another one more omutiso. Na yam fan kotu akwasi ampanyi bi NDC for afana office. Na juma ni salary mano. Listen to me very carefully. We have sold our colored TV for a black and white TV. Punto finito. Temiepa. See, Timi kotu aba with a trust be ewa mahamam. Eyi nanado abedi echi Dr. Bawumia free hokofa John Mahama by. Na John Mahama by treatment ya one ne finance minister Dema Ghana for ni edi dia. Enyo ye Ghana nia especially MPP for amankwa nkoto aba no. Kai hu se mo abom ya mutuo. Because you know NDC supporter do enden ya wabodam. Umani wi no mo obeto aba ma. Umani nsa no mo obeto aba. Umani se bi ko tekesi aduro no onya bi no ma obeto aba ma. But in him say MPP supporter there. You vote for good policies. And to una wankwa nkoto aba no, you have a light or you have fuel the incompetent man to become the president of the republic. And in the Namso and the Amagana buying last year, yet me bobo 77 billion Ghana cedis. Edit Piajuma foka. Na ye ya dan ye nyaba be control say inflation above form, dollar above form, empty bonds mama hama. This is what Ato Forson is telling you. We any the best tenor Ato Forson ewo ekachiro at the government found the generation of found for government business no nyansa sema Ato Forson nyaka chiro ne say ono ekobo obosia ne kotua adwuma efoka enti bo nsem ma no. Why den and aye just aduru ben yehu agu ye ni so sabio dae ben na yeso ya ye de koto aba ye ni te ya na papa bi na bedi Ghana man so. This is supposed to be something unacceptable in any manner. Your purpose send the page my forecast. Maybe you don't understand what I mean. Ship Ghana Shippers Authority. But be a ship a hodu nyina omo sika na asefo fa. Sa sika no mo generate no hono. It is not enough to pay their workers. National Health Insurance. Sika bebreba amanfo tua ekoho nyina no. John Mahama say omo ntumi nya internal generation fund emfa ntua adwuma foka agise omo kobobosia. In fact, in just 1 year, John Mahama has borrowed 11.7 billion US dollars. Papa na osena MPP are buying Bobo Siando do no. Oba no. He is actually borrowing more than what Anado used to borrow. Pacho timiye pa. Papa na one of his campaign Curtis Park is here and he said Anando Bobo Siando do Yamanamina na almost settle bibiano. That man in just 11 months, in just 13, 14 months, no, wabobo 11 billion US dollars. Kronunti ye to say the ochina ni ho. Ye to say the sebi ochina bi ni ho. Ye ni nyina. Die betumi di ensa asesa. Die betumi di ensa fofam. Kwan ye befo so betumi wi sika wo system no mu nyina. Near making the people poor, no, we will do that. That is what the NDC is doing. Sajuma no, ene nkrofo weti office where ye. Eye adwuma obo ahyehyɛ no na omo ye. Mpacho timi ye pa. Where na anu ada Mahama ba ye. Watch this one here. Na yento aso. Asem na make, I'm not lying to you. Me nintronchro. Na anu ada ye wura Mahama ba ye. Hwebosi awabo. Hwebosi awabo. Nanadu fra konwam. Nanadu fra konwam. December 2024. Na oman Ghana yeka. Eye 49.4 billion US dollars. Pachote miye pa. As of December 2025, now ya jump to 61.3 billion US choppable dollars, which means in just 1 year, John Mahama borrowed 12.2 billion US dollars. Apart from part and my part. Adeɛ bɛn na Mahama de sɛ sika wɔ yɛyɛ ma hwee nti create luta share yɛ create system bi yɛde kɔgye sika ne ɛbaa ne akyɛ di, and no wonder that stupid finance minister will come and tell you say wakɔbɔ bosia de aba bɛtua adwumayɛfoɔ ka, because afei na ɔmo te ɔmo ka. I feel no more bokro no. But in just 1 year, John Darega has able to borrow. Na sabre kureka say dollar no for more. Dollar no for. Imagine when the dollar was a lot. Dollar no from Kurana Papa ya abobo siankwa just 12.3 billion US dollars just 1 year. Na senkane breso na dollar that 17, 16, 15 na nkene sika wa prono. This is whom we call Mahama. We know him. And this Obaha no be country say they are borrowing to pay government workers. Omubuo eye krono kese pa na omo de bogana for. Eye krono kese pa. Na me dwene ho amenti ase. How John Mahama, Ato Forson, and his cronies can be so evil with just one intention, which is to chop money and go. In fact, and this is 1.4 mudi abana ni mu nyina ya kohifo. Bebre na nyina ya kohifo. Papa bi anim. Now, we dey yamfa Ato Forson e de we nto ho. Na me make it clear to you. Ato Forson is telling you Ghanaians, say, Ghana Bank cannot pay for 8 workers. So he has to go out and borrow money to make sure, say, government workers will get paid. Into video way, now you can be a session.
Reason why there's the need to take a closer look at Ghana's compensation are that the 2025 non-oil tax revenue of 183 billion Ghana cedis was only enough to pay for statutory transfers and debt service. After paying statutory funds such as District Assembly Common Fund, Get Fund, National Health Insurance, and debt service, what was left was not enough to settle Ghana's compensation bill. In fact, government of Ghana had to borrow 17 billion Ghana cedis to augment the compensation bill. Your Excellency, I thank you.
Yes, Your Excellency, I thank you. Ghana buying aboka, but me da wase because sikana madikura mpona nobody can do food to me. And Ghana buy me da wase. And this is for Moye. Moye very bogus. Moye very, very bogus. Yanto asli yanko yanim. Our last segment, 2 things aka. Eti mi say to me aye ho adwuma. Ansana adum pempen so bi na yapon.